Hey, what's going on, y'all? I've got another comparison video. This time is going to be with the Alibaba Y Pipe, and as you can kind of see, the center one is the Alibaba Y Pipe. The one on the right is the ISR, and then I have the Z1 resonated Y Pipe on the left. The Alibaba is a replica of the ISR. Most of the part is similar. Of course, you can kind of see the major difference is going to be the merge collector style. The ISR uses a collector versus the Alibaba that uses I don't know the correct term, but I guess this would be just a split pipe merge. I can go ahead and take some measurements to kind of show you how the piping diameter is. So everybody knows the G37 370Z ISR has a larger primary tubing. So 70 mils is roughly 2.75 inches. Then going to the Alibaba one, so 69, essentially the same, 2.75. And then the Z1 is here just as a reference because it's similar to majority of the white pipes on the market. So 63 mil, that's roughly 2.5 inch. So see, the next thing to kind of see would be the inlets. So let's start with the Z1. We've got 60 mil, that's I think like 2.36. Okay, so 60 mil essentially in the ISR. Let's try that again. Yeah, same thing. So inlet wise, they're all the same. Let's look at the outlet. And just to kind of show you the merge collector, if you can see it, well, a little difficult to see. There's no light, huh? Yeah. So pretty much with this collector style, the pipes are welded on here. It's full diameter, and then it merges using this collector. Versus these two that uses, the pipe split. Maybe you can kind of see it. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so you see how the pipe is split to form the merge. The Z1's gonna be too far in. I mean, I could remove the resonator and you can see it, but it pretty much just looks the same as the Alibaba that I showed you. Okay, let me see if... there it is. Yeah. So the ISR has the advantage in that aspect. So what's the next thing? Outlet. Okay, let me zero this out again. Oop, turn it off. All right, so that's 76. So surprisingly, the Z1 is actually smaller, 3 mil smaller. Price wise, I think including shipping and all fees, the Alibaba one comes out to be like, I think $250, depending on the vendor. So ISR is 275, maybe almost 300, especially I guess if you consider like tax and shipping. So it's not a bad buy. I'm gonna throw it on the car to see the fitment, but I'm gonna go ahead and stack it on top of the ISR to kind of show you that lengthwise and even the flange orientation, it's pretty similar. So I'm not expecting any sort of fitment issues, because I mean, laying on top, it literally, it's like a cookie cutter. Of course, again, minus the merge collector. So because the ISR works on all-wheel drive, this Alibaba one will work on all-wheel drive too. Yeah. All right, so I hope this kind of helps you, to give you additional options for more stuff off of Alibaba to purchase. All right, thanks guys.